Downloading your account data from PlayStation can help you keep track of your gaming history and personal information. Follow these steps to successfully download your account data. Step 1. Sign into your account. Visit the PlayStation website and sign into your account using your credentials. Make sure you're using the account from which you want to download data. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, locate the Account Settings section. This is usually found in the upper right corner of the screen under your profile icon. Click on it to access your account management options. Step 3. Find Data Download Options. In the Account Settings menu, look for the option related to privacy or data management. Here, you should find a section for downloading your account data. Click on this option to proceed. Step 4. Select Data to download. You will be presented with various types of data you can download, such as game history, purchase history, and account details. Select the specific data you wish to download by checking the relevant boxes. Step 5. Confirm and download. After selecting the data, confirm your choices and follow the prompts to initiate the download. You may receive an email notification once your data is ready for download, or it may start downloading directly to your device. By following these steps, you can easily download your account data from PlayStation. Make sure to keep this information secure and review it regularly for any updates or changes.